Thanks. This is Maggie for this great question. When it comes to speaking with somebody as opposed to speaking up to somebody, what happens when the person in front of you doesn't listen? There's a few things going on here that I am making some assumptions about, but what I can share with you is if someone is not in the space to listen, it may be that they haven't felt listened to themselves. So maybe they have talked to you about an issue before and they have felt you haven't listened or followed through. And so they're just not going to engage anymore. They may be trying to prevent an escalation because they're still in their hijack, in their emotional hijack, and they need time to de-escalate so they can come into the conversation and not say something that's going to make it worse. And the third thing that comes for me as I read this is they may just not feel safe at this point to be vulnerable in this moment with you. So if you're in a conversation with somebody and you feel like they're not listening, check in with them. Ask them if they need some time and space to think about the topic. Ask if they feel safe to have the conversation, and really set that stage around having a collaborative conversation where the two of you are invested in resolving or talking about an issue and refraining from character attacks or bringing in old past stories, but to really just stay focused. Set the boundaries, set the stage, and let me know how it goes.